Hi everyone, Monisha here. In this video, I will be completing only first main. In first main, there are only 4 problems. Okay, the first main of exercise 3.4. So this is solvation for x and y by using elimination method. Since substitution and cross multiplication method has been deleted from your syllabus, only elimination method is there. If they ask you to solve for x and y, you have to do for elimination method itself. Okay, so let us start the session. Moving on to exercise 3.4. First main. In first main, we need to solve the given equation by using elimination method. Okay, substitution and cross multiplication method has been deleted this year, only for this year. So we need to solve the equation just as we solve the equation for the graphical representation. In the same way, we need to solve this equation. Okay, here both x and y terms are not same. We need to make one or the other term should be same, so that we need to eliminate it. Okay, so the first equation I will be multiplying it with 2 because I am making this x term similar to each other, so that we can cancel it to find out the value of another term. Okay, so here 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into y, 2y is equal to 2 5s are 10. Write the second equation as it is, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Next, change the sign. Okay, here it is plus and minus. Unlike signs, we need to subtract during unlike sign. Here there is like sign, plus into plus. So like sign means we need to add it. 3 plus 2 is 5y. Larger number sign is plus itself, is equal to, here unlike sign, plus into minus, minus. So unlike sign means we need to subtract it. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Okay, so here y value is 6 divided by 5. We can't divide 6 by using 5. So let the equation be y is equal to 6 by 5. Next, we need to substitute this 6 by 5 to either first equation or second equation. Okay, so this is first equation and this is second equation. So I will be using first equation here. So equation 1, x plus y is equal to 5. So in the place of y, we need to substitute 6 by 5 here. So x plus 6 by 5 is equal to 5. In the next step, I will be shifting this 6 by 5 to the right hand side. So it will become minus 6 by 5. Next, by taking LCM, so here there is a 1. So 1 5s are 5, 5 5s are 25, minus 5 1s are 5, 1 6s are 6. Okay, so x is equal to 25 minus 6 is 19, 19 divided by 5. So we got the value for x and y. So this is the way to solve the equation by using elimination method to find the solution for x and y. Okay, so moving on to the second problem. The second problem is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Okay, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. Here also x and y terms are different, so that I will be multiplying the first term of the first equation to the second term and the first term of the second equation to the first equation. Okay, so this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y is equal to 2 into 10, 20. Next, 3 2s are 6x minus, minus is here, so write on minus itself. 3 2s are 6y is equal to 3 2s are 6. So next, change the sign. Okay, so here plus into minus. Unlike signs means we need to subtract it. 6x minus 6x is 0, so we need to cancel it. Okay, plus into plus, plus. So 8 plus 6 is 14. Y is equal to, here plus into minus, minus. So 20 minus 6 is 14. So 14 1s are 14. So y is equal to 1. So now we need to substitute this y is equal to 1 to either equation 1 or 2. So I will be taking equation 2 here. Either you can take equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, so 2x minus 2y is equal to 2. So 2x minus 2 into, in the place of y we need to write 1 is equal to 2. So 2x minus 2 ones are 2 is equal to 2. 2x is equal to, I am shifting this minus 2 to right hand side, it will become plus 2. So 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 2s are. X is equal to 2. So the value for x is 2 and y is 1. So this is the way of solving this problem. Moving on to the third problem. The third problem is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0 and 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. So first we need to interchange it in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay. So the first equation, in order to solve it, I will be writing in the form 3x minus 5y is equal to, I will be shifting minus 4 to right hand side, it will become 4. Here 9x write as it is. 2y and 2y we need to shift it to left hand side and is equal to 7, let it be there in the right side itself. Okay, so that we can solve this equation. Here also x and y term are not same, so we need to do either x term or y term to be similar so that we can cancel that. Okay, so for this first equation I will be multiplying it with 3 because 3 3s are 9. I can subtract this first term, so only for first equation I will be multiplying. So 3 3s are 9x minus 3 5s are 15y is equal to 3 4s are 12. Okay, 3 3s are 9x minus 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12. Write the second equation as it is. Okay, next change the sign. Here plus and minus, unlike sign means we need to subtract it, so this 9x and 9x cancels each other. Here unlike sign means subtract. 15 minus 2 is 13y, whereas the larger number is minus here. Okay, is equal to plus into minus, minus 12 minus 7 is 5, so larger number sign is plus, so plus 5. So y is equal to 5 divided by minus 13. Okay, so this is the value of y which we need to substitute either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Okay, so I will be taking equation 1 here, that is 3x minus 5y, equation 1, 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 3x minus 5, y value is 5 by minus 13 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, y is 5 by minus 13 or minus 5 by 13, both are same. So here 3x, here minus is there, so minus into minus is plus. Okay, plus 5 5s are 25 by 13 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so next I will simplify only these two terms now. Okay, so 3x plus, here 13 will be the LCM, so 13 ones are 13, so here it is 1, 13 ones are 13, 1 into 25 is 25 minus 1 13s are 13, 13 4s are 52. Okay, next 3x plus 52 minus 25, so 12 minus 5 is 7, 4 minus 2 is 2, minus sign will be there, so minus 27 by 13. Okay, so next 3x plus into minus is minus 27 divided by 13 is equal to 0. In the next step I will be shifting this minus 27 by 13 to right hand side, it will become plus 27 by 13. Here it is into means when I shift it to right hand side it will become divided by. Okay, so x is equal to 27 by 13 into, it came into division side. Okay, 3, so 3 ones are 3 9s are 27, so x value is 9 by 13. Okay, the y value is 5 by minus 13 and x value is 9 by 13. Fine. So there is one more problem, that is the fourth one. Okay, moving on to the last problem of this session, that is the fourth one. The question is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. So this is in the fraction form, so we need to reduce it to the single a1x plus b1y form. Okay, so here in the first equation it is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1. Here 2 and 3, the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay, 2 and 3 LCM is 6. So 2 3s are 6. 3 into x is 3x plus 3 2s are 6, 2 into 2y is 4y is equal to minus 1. Next, we have to cross multiply it. So it will become 3x plus 4y is equal to 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Okay, this is our new equation, that is equation 1. Fine. So next one is this, we have to interchange into this form. So second equation is x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Here by LCM we will take it here. So it will become 3x minus y whole divided by 3 is equal to 3. Here next cross multiply this one. So it will become 3x minus y is equal to 3 3s are 9. So this is the second equation. Okay. So we need to solve equation 1 and 2. So solve equation 1 and 2. So this is also by taking LCM. Okay. So nothing is there means there will be 1, right? So 3 and 1, the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3 itself. So 1 3s are 3, 3 into x is 3x, 3 1s are 3, 1 into y is y. Okay, taking the LCM form. So solve the two equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to minus 6. Second one is 3x minus y is equal to 9. Okay, next change the sign. So here plus 3x and minus 3x get cancels each other. Like sign, plus into plus is plus. So like sign means we need to add it. 4y plus 1y is 5y is equal to minus into minus. Like sign means we need to add 9 plus 6 is 15. So larger number sign is minus here. Okay. So 5 1s are 5 3s are. So y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to minus 3. So this y is equal to minus 3, we need to substitute either to equation 1 or equation 2. So I will be taking equation 2 here. Okay. So equation 2 is 3x minus y is equal to 9. So instead of y, we need to write minus 3. So put a bracket here is equal to 9. So 3x minus into minus is plus 3 is equal to 9. 3x is equal to 9. I will be shifting this plus 3 to right hand side, it will become minus 3. So 3x is equal to 9 minus 3, 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. So x is equal to 2. So by solving this fractional form, we will get x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. I hope you understood this. So this is the compulsory question. This elimination method is a compulsory question. So kindly practice it very well. Okay. Thanks for watching.